Hello folks, we're inside of ClimaPod virtual greenhouse, and I would like to show you operational solar fans and automatic windows openers, as well as the tips for those items. So to control and adjust, as you can see, these two located at the same place. Twist them counterclockwise to lift it up, or clockwise or counterclockwise to lower it down. Keep these threads at least that high, so your windows can open more. If you want windows to be open more, use the second pin, this one right here, not this one, not on top but the bottom one. Maybe I can show you better on the other side. So this one is open too high too, so we're just gonna close down a little bit so you can switch those pins from here to the lower position. Same on this side, they are still closed, so I wish they'd be open, but so you can use the second pin right here, and the same on this side. So that's how they installed on the back. This is pre-drilled. You already have a holes inside, and the greenhouse comes with two solar powered thermostatic fans. Use silicone on outside after installation. 5" by 7.5" hole to get dial in, and that's how you adjust. You probably notice it, the speed is decreasing as the sun goes away, and I will show you an example. As you can hear, we got more clouds and they barely working. They will gonna kick back on as soon as those clouds is passed, and they will start working at high speed again. Let's wait a second. Doesn't look like this cloud will going to going away. I would also recommend to put silicone on the back, not silicone, but a lubrication back where the wheel is, right there, and on this side more lubrications is better, so we can slide easier. Also adjust heights between the top bar and the lower, between this top bar and the lower part, so the distance in between two of those are identical. Measure this distance and this distance, so they must be equal. That way your doors will slide off and will prevent gliders to get out. Another good thing is to silicone along the edges, as well as upside down if you prefer. Okay, I will go ahead and lower this down for the customer. Sometimes they are not working, so what you do, you go like this. At the same time, use the hammer and knock on a piece of metal right here, get the thumb out and knock it over here. So if you completely remove the thermostat, I mean if you open the part and tie them together with the solar fan, and a solar element, this thing will gonna pop and open and right will work like crazy again. What else should I show? Connections. Yes, connections. Solar fence. It's a new design. Just put washers over here. Don't use the bars to go across. Definitely a couple pounds, and it's not weight anything. As far as the this controller, I would recommend to silicone these edges right here. You can also get a little bit on the finger and apply on it, so when you close, it's gonna get sealed. Make sure handle is on the right side, otherwise rain will gonna get inside. Perfect greenhouse.